Hello and welcome to St. Paul Lutheran Church in Sarasota, Florida. My name is John Ferreira. I am the music director here, and every week I will be presenting you with a vlog entitled Make a Joyful Noise. I'm going to be talking about Sunday, July 5th, when during our service we will sing several patriotic numbers. One of them is called America the Beautiful. The other one is Mine Eyes Have Seen the Glory. And the third one is called This Is My Song. This is based on Finlandia, written by Jean Sibelius. At the beginning of the service, we have Christine Earp as our guest trumpeter. She's going to be playing Bless This House. Now, some of you may say right away, that seems to be a Thanksgiving song, but it's not. If you listen to the words, it's very appropriate for every day of the week. The words read, "Bless this house, O Lord, we pray. Make it safe by night and day." We're not only asking you to help us bless this house of worship, but that blessing is to go out to your homes also. Then we're going to have Susie Scholl, our American Sign Language person, sign a piece that is going to be sung by a taped choir entitled, "I Will Heal Their Land," based on 2 Chronicles 7, verse 14, which reads, "If my people who are called by my name will humble themselves and pray, I will heal their land." Very appropriate for what's going on around us today. At the end of the service, we're going to ask Christine Earp to come back with her trumpet and play "Let There Be Peace on Earth," a very favorite of most of our congregation, and I hope it will be a favorite of yours. Be sure to tune in Sunday at 9:30 a.m. for St. Paul Lutheran Church in Sarasota, Florida, and making a joyful sound.